Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to download movies on the Cinema HD app. It's very simple to download any movie you want. Simply head to the Cinema HD app. On the top left you'll see the three horizontal lines, click on that and click on Movies. From here you can see all the movies that Cinema HD has to offer. If you already know what movie you want to download, simply click on the top right on the magnifying glass and type in whatever movie you'd like to find. Once you have the movie that you want to download, simply click on it. You can choose the threads, which the threads is basically how many threads your CPU or processor your device will have. So in this case, because I'm on a PC using an Android emulator, I have 32 threads. I wouldn't recommend putting it to max. I would recommend putting it to about half of whatever you have or a quarter, as it can make your device go very laggy. If you don't need to use your device while it's downloading, I would recommend using more in order for it to be a faster download. However, I would never recommend using the max as it can cause your device to crash. Once you have chosen the amount of threads that you want to use, simply click on Start here on the bottom right and your download will start. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below. Thank you for watching.